Here I've got Samsung Galaxy Fold, and let me show you how to install WhatsApp on the following device. So at first you have to locate and open Play Store. Here you've got the icon. You can also find it in the list of all apps. It's right here, so simply click on it. And now you have to click to the search bar and enter WhatsApp. Here you've got it. Just tap on it, and as you can see, all you have to do is to tap on install right here. And now you just have to patiently wait until it's done, so it may take just a couple of seconds. At first it will be downloaded and then installed. If you would like to see how it will look like, you can click here and then just check the photos. Okay, so that's all. Let me go back. And as you can see, it is installed, so let's go back. Now locate the icon. It should appear somewhere in your app. Okay, so here it is, just click on it. And now just click on agree and continue. Here you have to enter your phone number, so smoothly enter your phone number, and then you'll be able to create your WhatsApp account. That would be all. Just enter the number here, then tap on next, and you will have the WhatsApp account already existing. So this is it. That would be all. So you can install WhatsApp and how you can create its account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.